Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the connection problem or invalid MMI code on your Android device. So without any further ado, let's start. On your device, whenever you try to check your balance on the SIM card and then after that you get an error that says connection problem or invalid MMI code, there are some solution to that problem. Now first of all, you have to make sure that you have properly inserted your SIM card on your device. So check that, and after that make sure that you have not turned your mobile data. If you have turned on your mobile data, simply turn off your mobile data, and after that you can just turn on your flight mode on your device, and after a few seconds turn that off. Now again go back and see if that will help you or not, and if not, go to your settings on your device. Now once you land on your settings page, tap on the mobile and internet. From here again tap on mobile network. Once you land on your mobile network, first deactivate your SIM card for a second and then you have to activate. So go ahead and tap on that SIM card that you're getting an error. You will land on your SIM card setting. From here simply turn off the toggle which will deactivate the SIM card and wait for a few seconds, and then again go ahead and activate that card again. Now go back and see if that will help or not, and if that doesn't still help, the last thing you can do is, but before that, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get further updates from our channel. Now back again, the last solution you can do is simply restart your device. After you restart your device, that will help you to solve the issue. So this is how you can simply fix the connection problem or invalid MMI code on your device. I hope this video helped you, and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.